you? He. Oh, what is this? Where did you catch it? Where didn't I catch it? He called me. I parked the car, and he was just. He would. I rely on too small. This. You free up the cardboard box. Let's give him some milk. Let me tell you, I just finished. Didn't hear a sound. Is he here next to your car? I don't know. I definitely didn't press him to open the door anyway. Oh, okay.
Okay. Just stay here. Okay.
Just stay here. Okay. Don't come out yet. There's no cat food at home either. Oh, my mother. Can it be dog food? You are really too noisy. Wait a minute. How many holes can I put in? You pull your knife in. He wasn't fighting. You got out of my hands. You picked it up. Shit. Why did he bite? He didn't bite you. It should be. You start this like that. I have a minute and a half. Go out first. How many? More than enough. So it means that okay, it can be broken. Teeth are growing out. Is there any problem? I'll send you more. Help me see more people with pets above me. Got some food for the kitten. Spoonful of this. Then a little milk powder. Some nutrition food. To me, by the owner. Downstairs. Come. No, I'm really going. Finished. Be good. Yo, you so skinny. So here's the thing. I'm here. You won't eat. Me. He won't eat. Okay, go to sleep. Hold on. Yes.